then for maybe for the zone, the country.
Nongpoh Legislator Miralbon Same today acknowledged the government's efforts in tackling the drug menace but stressed the need for affordable government-run rehabilitation centres, as many private facilities are out of reach for families. Same shared that he recently met with the Rehabilitation Deputy Commissioner to discuss the possibility of establishing a rehab centre through corporate social responsibility initiatives. He hopes that a proposal will be sent to corporate houses with plans for the centre to be operational by 2025-26. Same also mentioned ongoing government inquiries into rehab centres outside the state but noted no concrete information yet.
With the Deputy Commissioner to find ways and means to send a proposal through CSR project to have a rehab center in Rehabilitation. This matter has been taken up and we have entrusted and instructed the Deputy Commissioner of Rehabilitation District to send a proposal through CSR in different corporate house, and now it is in a pipeline. And I hope very soon, not within this year, now it's about to end, by 25-26, I hope it will come up and we'll have, it's a one step towards